Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how you can verify your Facebook account. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on the Facebook app, and now what you need to do is click on this hamburger menu here. It's a very small, so simply click on it. After clicking on it, you need to see for an option called help and support. So if you go at the bottom, you will see an option called help and support. So simply you need to click on it, and then you need to click on help center. After clicking on help center, you can see that you will not be able to find an option for verification here. So it's an hidden option in a sense. So what you need to do is you need to search for it. You need to search and type verification. When you type verification, it will show you a list of kind of articles. What you need to do is click on this request a verified badge on Facebook. So click on it. After clicking on it, if you want to read, you can read it. That it will show you your requirements for applying a verified badge. So if you want to read it, you can read it, but I will just simply click on this, fill out this form here. You need to click on it, it's a link. So as you can see, now we need to fill all of this information here. So if you have a page, simply click on page. If you have a profile, simply click on profile. If you have a page, then you need to click on select page. If you have a number of pages, it will show you a list of pages, but we are just going to click on profile. And here is the important part. You need to have a driver license, a passport, or a national identification card, or tax filing, or recent utility bill, or articles of incorporation. I'm just going to simply click on passport here, and I have a passport, but for now I'm just going to skip it. And you can click on it by clicking on choose files and select that passport. And now you need to see the category. So if your account is based on news or media or sports or government, politics, or any other option from here, you can choose a relevant option. I'm just going to click on digital creator. Alright, now you need to put your country or region here. Alright, now you need to, you may not write something here. It's an optional. Alright, you can also type what you are known as, what's your second name, by which people know you, and this is also optional here. Now here you can add the links up to 5 where your name have been mentioned, or you have been mentioned through articles or social media accounts. So you need to simply, you can or cannot, it's an option, it's an optional thing. Okay, this is necessary. You need to add a file here. Alright, I'm just going to skip it. You can put it there, and then you need to simply click on send, and what it will do is it will tell you within 24 to 48 hours that whether your profile is eligible for being verified or not. If your profile is eligible, you will clearly see a blue mark, a blue tick on your account. That's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it beneficial. See you soon. Have a good day.